Core TV is the flagship channel of the Core Productions Incorporated. The emerging brands are the micro, small, medium enterprises, or the MSMEs. These are the 816,759 commercial names. They make up the 99.6% of the country's total business establishments. We are one of the lifestyle channels that is dedicated to the grassroots glamour and new massa brands. We started in the Ilocos region and now enhance our vision to help the country's MSMEs to empower, enlighten, and engage. We are one of the organizations staying to empower the local talents and communities by creating feedback-oriented programs for the new massa. Our advocacy lies in promoting the province's beauty, culture, and community-based programs through partnerships with Ihawan sa Kawayan, Nueva Segovia Consortium Cooperative, Hidden Garden, and Assets Food House, who are successful in their chosen fields. We are one of the advocate groups centered to enlighten the audience, with shows that are packed with fresh and relevant ideas, creative and unique angles, competent and techno-savvy approaches, which are at par with our national and international media partners. Our audience expands to the Visayas and Mindanao to break and cross the boundaries of our provincial advertising through rates and packages targeted to the business of the neo-massa and grassroots glamour brands. We are an enterprise too. We engage the company's philosophy, we strive to thrive in every living tradition that we highlight. For the platform of our brands, the 7 years of TV commercials were geared to the brilliance of Luzon and the outskirts of the provinces. The next TV shows are integration with the new masses and stamping the thresholds of their business enterprises. The glamour from the grassroots level is our collaboration for the advertisements in supporting commercial establishments. This is our core. We're here to stay. We are at our center. Core TV, staying centered.